We receive the good news of the approval of our dear Holy Father, Pope Francis, in elevating this first stone church outside the Diocese of Manila, the parish church of St. John the Baptist in Taytay of the Diocese of Antipolo, to the ecclesiastical rank of Minor Basilica, the first in the province of Rizal.
We come together in joyous celebration and profound gratitude for this awaited moment of the solemn declaration of St. John the Baptist as Minor Basilica.
Ang pagtatalaga ng ating simbahan bilang Basilica Minor ay pagkilala ni Papa Francisco sa marubdob niyong pananalig at pamamanata dito sa Taytay.
Truly, these celebrations of Minor Basilica of the Parish Church of St. John the Baptist is grace upon grace for us in the Diocese of Antipolo, comprising the whole province of Rizal, with the city of Marikina and the whole island of Talim, most especially to the Philippine Church. Our gratitude is also to our efficient rector, Father Perdito Noel Rabonsa III, and to the Parish Pastoral Council for all their efforts in making this dream a reality.
Padaluyin natin ang gawa, ang awa at pagmamahal ng Diyos sa isa't isa, sa halip na maging ganid at madamot, maging daanawa tayo upang umagos ang biyaya mula sa Diyos patungo sa ating kapwa. Ihatid natin ang biyaya at pagmamahal ni Kristo sa bawat isa. Purihin natin ang Panginoon sa masayang biyaya ng araw na ito. Salamat sa biyaya ng malalim na pananampalataya sa Diyos at debosyon kay San Juan Bautista dito sa Taytay.
This is a historic and sacred moment for our community, and it fills our hearts with immense joy and thankfulness. The declaration we witness today marks the beginning of a significant mission and great responsibility bestowed upon us by God. Through His divine will that we stand here, united in faith and purpose, celebrating this sacred recognition of our beloved Church. Our deep gratitude and obedience to the Holy Father, Pope Francis, for elevating this church to the status of a minor basilica. We are grateful to him for granting us the privilege and graces that are enjoyed in every basilica throughout the world.